There are
five
5
fireflies.
Very good. Fireflies. All right. So look at this one, Kyle. What animal are they?
Butterfly.
Wow, butterflies. Okay, how about this one?
Bee.
Bees. Bees.
Bee.
Very good. This one.
Bee.
All right.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Wow, great job. You all know all the animals, Kyle. Okay, so now this is, okay, we call this one, all right, we call this one
Animals.
insects. Okay, we call this one insects.
Insect.
All right, so they are not birds, Kyle, but they can fly, okay? But they can fly. We cannot call them birds, okay? Insects means tiny animals. Okay, can you say tiny animals?
Tiny animals.
Okay, again, what do we call them, Kyle? What do we call this one? Okay, what do we call this one? Insects.
Insect.
Okay, remember that one, Kyle? Okay, well done. And now please click Mr. Firefly wing. Okay, please click, Kyle. Wow,
Good
that was
job.
so fast. All right, great job, Kyle. Now please read. Okay, go.
Fireflies
Have.
have
Okay, go.
got wings.
Okay, very good. Fireflies have got
Fireflies
wings.
fly?
Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, can fireflies fly? Look. Can fireflies fly, Kyle? Yes or no?
Yeah, fireflies fly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Can fireflies fly? Yes. All right. Fireflies can fly. All right. As I said, there are tiny animals. Okay. Look, there are very tiny animals. Okay. So now let's read the phrases. Okay. Go, Kyle. Fireflies.
Fireflies are not birds.
Yes. Fireflies are not birds. Okay. How about this one? Fireflies
Fireflies
have. Okay,
have
go.
got wings.